Hi guys, today we want to have your departments, some of you being a single department, or if you're a larger department, get together with everybody and sit down and fill out this Google form really quick for us. It's a curriculum map update, and the idea is we want to have an idea of where you are with your curriculum maps. This isn't a like, oh man, this group only has this much done or something like that. We know you've got a ton going on and that you have been working on them when you've had a chance, but there haven't been a lot of chances. Both Adriana and I have in our goals and our SLOs a need to know kind of where everybody is sitting. And we think it's a good reflection for you to look at your departments and say, where are we? Do we have this one done? Check. Do we have this one done? No, but we're at about this percent. So this is what it will look like. When you come through here, go ahead and choose your department. So I'm going to say English. Actually, I'm going to go to science just because I know a lot more about the science classes. Overall, what percent of your curriculum maps would you say are started? So this is just started, that you've got something in, even if it's 1 or 2 boxes. So science department will say is 70% of them are at least started. Remember, we said it was good to like maybe just focus on 2 this year. So maybe you only have 2 out of all 10 of your classes that your department teaches. And that's fine, then it would be 10%. So don't feel like, oh my gosh, if we're at 10%, that's horrible, because maybe you have a lot done on 10% of them, and you've started a lot of them and they're just not done yet. So no worries here, just say how many have you started out of all of your classes your department teaches, how many have you started? So the next one, you'll go here and you'll write down something like Intro to Science is a class, and what percent would you say this map is, because you're only listing ones here that you've actually begun. And Intro to Science is about 50% done. That's from the beginning of the year, into the year, all the information filled in, everything like that. At that point, say, do you have another class to report on? Yes, I have another class. I know we've started something for chemistry, and you're having a discussion right now because you have your whole department together and you're saying, so how about chemistry? Have we done anything with this? Yeah, chemistry, but it's only about 10% done because of whatever. Do you have another class to report on? Yes. So we're hoping this can be a nice discussion time. 2, for your group to have a discussion about where you are and how much of it you've had done. Do you have another class to report on? If at some point you get done and say, okay, that's it, those are the only ones we've started, hit no, and then hit next. It'll take you to a big thank you for answering these questions. Send me a copy of my responses. So as a team department head, you might want to have a copy of these so that you can have some sort of record of kind of how far you are in each of them, and then submit, and you'll be good to go. So thanks so much for doing this for us. It'll give us a good update on how everyone is doing. Remember, this spring you will have more time, such as tomorrow. You will have, I don't know, 3 or 4 more late start Tuesdays where you will have time to work on these. And then next year we'll hit them hard as well. Okay, thanks. Let us know if you have any questions. Bye.